In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate YouTube descriptions with ChatGPT. In this video, you'll learn how to create professional, SEO-friendly YouTube descriptions using ChatGPT in just a few minutes. A well-written description can help improve your video's visibility in search results, give viewers a clear overview of your content, and encourage more engagement. Instead of writing everything manually, you can use ChatGPT to generate a polished description that includes keywords, timestamps, and a strong call to action. To begin, open ChatGPT and navigate to the main chat screen. Once you're there, click inside the message box at the bottom of the page. This is where you'll enter the prompt that tells ChatGPT exactly what you want it to create. For the best results, be as specific as possible about your video topic and the elements you want included. Next, type a prompt requesting an SEO-optimized YouTube description for your video. Include the video title and specify that you want relevant keywords, organized timestamps, and a compelling call to action that encourages viewers to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and continue watching more content. Once you've finished writing the prompt, submit your request and allow ChatGPT a few moments to generate the response. When the response appears, you'll notice that ChatGPT creates a complete description that is ready to customize. It typically begins with an engaging introduction, designed to capture the viewer's attention, while naturally incorporating important keywords related to the video's topic. This helps improve the chances of your content appearing in search results, while giving viewers a clear understanding of what they can expect. As you continue reviewing the response, you'll see that ChatGPT also organizes timestamps into an easy-to-read format, making it simple for viewers to navigate different sections of your video. It may also include a section highlighting what viewers will learn, followed by a collection of relevant keywords that further support search engine optimization and improve discoverability. To make your description even more engaging, return to the chat box and submit a follow-up request asking ChatGPT to generate 10 relevant hashtags, along with a pinned comment that encourages audience interaction. The generated hashtags can help expand your video's reach, while the pinned comment is designed to spark conversation by inviting viewers to share their thoughts, experiences, or answers to a specific question related to your content. With just a couple of prompts, you've created a complete YouTube description, optimized keywords, structured timestamps, targeted hashtags, and an engaging pinned comment. Before publishing, review the content and personalize it so it matches your channel's voice and style, while accurately representing your video. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,